Looking for Ecovessel bestsellers to buy on Cyber Monday? Luckily, we are here to help. Here are the best deals you should consider. And the best part? We did all the work for you. Just click this link below and get real-time prices and discounts on your favorite products. Number 1, TriMax Triple Insulation keeps drinks cold for 40 hours and hot for up to 12 hours, by Ecovessel. Number 2, enjoy the clean, natural taste of your beverage of choice in one of our glass water bottles. Not only does your beverage taste great, but our glass bottles are very easy to clean and are dishwasher safe, another great product by Ecovessel. Number 3, take your favorite wine, whiskey, or cocktail on the go with the TriMax Triple Insulated Port Tumbler. Its BPA-free lid ensures your beverages will stay inside while sipping in the park or at your next concert. Cyber Monday 2018 is already here. Click this link below for real-time prices and offers. Get yours now.